Hi, and welcome to this Lightroom short. In this short video, we're going to take a look at the HSL panel in the Develop module and how powerful it is in Lightroom. So we're going to take this image and we're going to play around with the HSL panel to see exactly what you can and can't do with that particular tool. So we go over to the Develop module and you will find the HSL panel about halfway down on the right hand side here. If it's closed, just click on the little triangle icon there and you'll see it open. We have three tabs at the top here. The first one is Hue, the second Saturation, the third Luminance. And then underneath we have individual colors. But the power of this tool actually resides in this little tool here, which you can just about see, this little circle here. And I'll demonstrate what we can do. We'll go over to this yellow wall here on the building. And if I click on Hue and I click on this little tool, we go over to there, we click and drag up. And as you can see, we're actually changing the color of that wall. We can do the same with the pinks here. And we go between reds and more magenta colors and yellow colors by sliding up and down. Now this will affect, by clicking on the reds here, we're also affecting the reds here, but it's a great way of boosting colors or changing hues very slightly. Now if we go over to the saturation panel and again we click on our little tool here, we can go again to the yellow, and if I click and drag up, you will see that that yellow becomes much more saturated. And conversely, if I click down, we can completely desaturate that particular color. And we do the same on the reds here. And the last part of the tool is the luminance. And again, if we take luminance, that's the light levels, and we'll take it on the yellow. If I click and drag up, we make the yellow much brighter. And if I click and drag down, we make it much darker. That's particularly useful, for instance, if we want to work on this car here, we can make it a bit brighter by sliding upwards. And we can make the stone wall here, this grey stone wall, a little darker by dragging downwards. And what we can also do is perhaps desaturate this grey cobblestones here just by taking the saturation tab and dragging it down a little bit. So there you have it, a hidden little tool within the HSL panel that is extremely powerful and allows you to manipulate multiple colours in one go. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and even better, a subscription. If you want to stay up to date when we publish new videos, ring the notifications bell. See you all again soon.